Welcome to Essentials in Life. We're here to help guide you through the journey of life and learn valuable lessons to keep you afloat. Today's lesson is Essentials in Laundry. Laundry is the key to a healthy and a happy lifestyle. Here are the steps that we need to complete in order to have clean clothes. Step 1 is easy. It's as easy as rolling in the dirt. To begin washing your clothes, put the dirty clothes into the washer. To get your clothes clean, you're going to need to add laundry detergent. Pour a safe amount into the washer. Most detergent bottles will say how much to pour. If you have questions, read the directions. One very important thing is to check and be sure that you are washing clothes that are the same color. Uh-oh, this cannot go in the darks. Now, do not fret. These controls may look like they launch a rocket, but that's what we're here for. Most clothes will need to be washed on cold, but be sure to read the tags on the clothes that you're washing. Some may have special instructions. And now, we press start. Once the clothes are finished washing, we take them out of the washer and put them into the dryer. But we have to be careful because some clothes are not meant for the dryer, so be sure to check the tags. The settings for the dryer are easy. Just turn on normal dry or the energy preferred setting if you want to use less electricity. And then do not forget to clean out your dryer vent. You want to be sure that there's no lint inside. And then press start. A clean load of clothes is nothing without folded laundry. This step will ensure your cleanliness and organization. We are now finished with Essentials in Laundry. I hope you have learned something, and I hope you have a great rest of your life.